I go choose. Bastard! If you end, I hear it, nigga, blood from brains. Oh, you think everyone from me? You think everyone from me? Thief! Where's my money? Where is my money?
Desmond! What money are you talking about?
Sophie, baby, just listen, okay? I swear to God, I don't know what they're talking about.
You don't know who they talk. We be fools, we don't know who they talk. So, 1, 2, spark! Never shoot! Jeremy! This year be this!
Nino!
See, you see this money? Yes. It is not meant for me. Oh. I want to kidnap it from my mother's wardrobe. It is meant for some market women. If you don't return this money,
I promise you now.
See, I am the bargain here.
I am coming. I'm actually coming back to give you the money. Don't worry, okay? In 2 weeks' time, I will come. I will bring the money.
This girl, I carry my money move. Money will be collect from my mama. Cupboard. We market women, they get up from my mama say they are wrong 1 or 2. I give this bastard, she get my money move. Who you give my money to?
He's the one. I did it because of no.
Where you put my money now?
Don't kill him, please. I still.
You still came out to talk at me? Please don't kill him. No. That spark will go kill you. That spark will turn to thunder, fire you. You know that? Give me the money back. The dress.
Step like shit anyone again.
I go beg and make you shoot. If you don't give me the money, you're mad.
The money is with me. The money you came for. You take with me, I go bring her.
Bring the money!
What? You know them?
Are you sure? Shut up there. Shut up there.
It's a long story. Yes, I know them. It's a long story, okay? It's a long story.
Yes.
Oh, guy, no sparkle me.
Sparkle!
No sparkle me. No be sparkle matter with this guy. You see this life, I don't too suffer. Hey. Enough is enough. As a matter of fact, at this so now, I don't give myself the dates where I will become multi-millionaire. I don't feel they live like this again. The oppression too much.
Oppression is real.
You don't know, if they talk like that, they never oppressed you before. See, guy, I'll tell you now, see, as I did so, urgently, as in the house, I need 50 million naira. 50 million.
Sparkle, you know, say all your own thing, you they like gra. The 1 million, 2 million, where I pray for, If God bless me with that one as I did so, Sparkle, I do okay.
God don't bless you already, but you don't know. Now make your life get like this. You dey pray for 1 million, 2 million, so now 1 million, 2 million. Now be your problem. When some children will see get like 1 billion, 10 billion.
Papa, you get shrine where you won't go. I mean, you get one miracle where you go do. Why you go do where you go bring the 50 million?
See, make I tell you, forget all those things. Even shrine na God that they pray to. If time to go shrine, we go shrine. First, you know, if you continue like this, money. Why you talk like this now?
If I say you mean this 50 million, you don't dream 50 million.
I be like who they play.
Say anything 50 million. Na bank we go enter. We need enter bank. Say do one miracle for bank. Carry 50 million come outside.
That bank where they talk so. Now spirit they work for there. No be human being they work for bank. Even the bank where they talk. Some boys they go bank go collect. So we go collect. We go bank. We go bank. If not gone, I'm not going to arrange gone. Back up.
You sabi all this level.
You the crazy. Don't drop liver out. I don't put secret give you. You don't know secret too. If you just change your mouth here, I'll kill you. No be her. I'll kill you.
It's not a matter of life and death. So.
No, matter of life and life. If you don't know, nobody won't become millionaire. I'll kill your family. Go enter.
I can help.
Who be this one?
Yes, I can help.
Oh, this is busy. I don't know.
I get the link.
Link to it.
I overheard everything you have been saying since.
So now what would they talk and I come sit down here? Know that we never order drink. Now to they listen to what people they talk. Who be this one?
With this guy dread, he like all those intelligent
boss man.
Spy with it.
Men I forget say I wear suit. I did the street. I know what's in the shop.
You know the spell street where they say what's the name of the street?
May I leave that one.
Man, leave that one.
I can help.
Sparkle, me.
We dey sick. Wait, you dey help. Waiting now. We sick. What you want help? What did you guys talk?
Sparkle,
I also no go believe.
Me, I don't want trouble.
Take a look at this.
What is your name again?
My name is Odi Desmond.
Mike, I call you Odi. You know, your name is Odi Def. Forget the Desmond. Don't did the Odi fit you based on who you be. What do you drink? Anything. A person like you, anything you must drink now. You ain't time we don't drink anything. Hey, Bama! I better give me anything. Anything. When they drink, just bring up. No talk. See, it's very, very good way it is right now. That your inside source from the bank spoke with me this morning. Everything was set. The guy is very, very sure, and I'm very, very, very optimistic about this deal. Say this deal will work. Now, you hear me? The guns who will take enter the bank, I don't arrange them. The mask who will wear. Everything don't set.
I hope say the gun small AK because I like making it comfortable.
Why they talk like this? If they talk like say they don't hold gun before. If you see the gun, keep quiet. Keep on BK. And if they take better gun, you tell me this thing.
I'm ready for this matter.
Now listen. We'll go enter the bank next tomorrow. We'll go take advantage of this pandemic. Enter bank. Now say now small numbers of people they enter inside bank. You understand? So we make the robbery very easy for us. So by the time we just enter the bank, we colonize everybody inside. We collect what we want to collect. More I remember, the lowest amount will come out of the bank with is 50 million.
Wait, Paco, this is source where you say you follow talk.
Paco, relax down. Why this guy? Wait. 50 million. Now be our lowest this thing. Now the source talk saying he will take 30%. I'm saying no, say 30% too much. Because we plenty on top the money already. And they beg her for 20. I don't say go still greedy 20. But the whole thing now be say everything are there our own side to make sure say this operation go on very, very well. The lowest I want to come out with now 50 million. If he pass, we 50 collect them. But me no bless say we dey greedy because some other thief won't go so that they go still see what they go take. So that I beg. I don't want to make anybody mess up this web.
Sparkle. In gallant with what they tell you since. But you know you realize I'm saying 50 million na money.
No, how 50 million take the money? 50 million na toilet paper.
No, I mean I dey think like tissue paper.
You dey craze. You dey say 50 million na money. You don't ever use for as I see you so I no just say you don't get 500k.
Sparkle. My own plans. I get wetin make me come join on.
This your dirty dread,
I get wetin make me come join about this job. Sparkle, my expectation are 500 million. Sparkle, I go enter bank borrow 50 million. 50 million na money. From where bank dey?
Sweet. How much you say this for?
500 million.
500 million.
Money for short term. 500 million.
This guy na devil.
You know why they laugh? Like say they say we come together this morning. I know say never eat. I was listening to the guy chop something when they disturb his brain. 500 million. 10 big robbers with big like giants enter inside bank. Then if you come out to 15 million, now 3 of us will come 500 million. Why won't carry the bank pass? If you come 500 million,
Paco, we know they enter inside. We are not going in the physical.
Oh, we will go spirit. We will not turn to spirit.
We will go in the spiritual.
And that's how we talk. So that we will get a Bible for hand. We will go.
Whether you go with Bible or Quran, Paco, the main issue is say we are going to hack that bank. I should be my ID card. How many years I don't graduate from school? Paco, we want to hack the bank. We dey hack that bank. We are using our laptop. We are not going in the physical. We sit down for our home. We'll hack the bank. We're going to press 1 or 2 or 3 keys for the keyboard. We do for the laptop. So as we press them, we dey open email. We dey open some kind things 1 or 2. Enter the bank. Enter microfinance. Enter banks. You draw the money. Put them for our own account.
Wait. Odi abi Odi. I remember your name Odi.
Na my papa name be that.
No, anyone will be. If not your neighbor name, now the name will tell me Odi. See, from everything we talk now, we no go need gun or anything to go rob the bank again. We no go need 15 million again, according to you.
Yes.
The new money now na 500 million naira we go collect according to you.
Yes, ma'am.
According to you again, na inside laptop you go for account.
Yes,
we no need to stress ourselves again.
Yeah.
So we no go dey think of to fight police or anybody again. My question now be say, you sabi do all this one since. Why you no come talk am when we dey do this deal? Why you come still let us go get inside contact wey you know say you fit do this thing like this? Why?
Sparko, if I go need to connect my laptop, if I go need to connect my Spectranet to the bank, we need inside int now. Now the inside int will give us the password to log into all the CCTVs and all of the ways to get into the watch room.
Wait, Mona, wait. Odi. I remember that your name, Odi. Odi. Now you say we go hack. Say na 500 million because you get your expectation. Me, I like money too. 500 million na good thing. If you go work. The question now be say this 500 million wey it also go hack, e go work. Why you no talk of this 500 million before say if you do this kind of thing? Why be say na now you can't change the plans?
Sparko, I'm a banker. Make I show you my ID card again. You won't confirm 2 times.
See, no be by ID card. I don't see mechanic wey get doctor ID card. No be by ID card.
That's today.
Okay. I see mechanic wey get doctor ID card. Medical doctor, now they call am. But now I'm a doctor for motor. People don't know. Okay. So don't forget that thing. So now we no dey enter bank again.
Okay.
As according to you, you go have 500 million. All of us now associates. Account wey go enter don dey. Abi, then we share the money. When you go start? Now tomorrow now. No, next tomorrow to be to enter the bank. As if it's in the
since you don't say you want go physical, then maybe they tell you say make you go next tomorrow. Now tomorrow they start am like this.
Now what thing I want you?
Hey, you are starting it today.
No shout. You go shout now. That person go come join us as you join us that day. We go dey plenty.
Advantage was
the money will come small.
With today.
Come on, no shout. No shout. No shout. Okay.
Me, they go see me come somewhere, you will delay person.
No verse now. I bet waiting they happen like this now. Because
see, Spark no fit come around as it is, so you get where you go, you get the far. So make I update you on our next operation. You get, you know as it be. Our mouth is not too wide. Wetin they find out and a block, better block.
No wahala. I hope we don't follow Spark talk well. Me, I no want any. I no want story. Because if I hear any story, Nyash go red though.
Babe.
I know go play. I know go follow anybody open tip.
Babe, we don't arrange this thing. No the matter of today. We don't arrange and boy. Everything on set. I might give you your own instruction. Maybe you follow another day. Because your matter, you guys they be. You dey get.
No wahala.
Now waiting Sparks make I instruct you to do this.
No wahala. I no wahala.
When you reach that day, you go be watchdog. You know what be watchdog?
I don't hear. I go there outside. If I don't see na take come outside, me I dey boss in you.
You don't get the
scope. I go boss in you.
You're a bad girl. I know the story.
My team. And for you, Sophie the fine girl, I could have spared you, but how am I sure you will not betray me? Just keep quiet! Oh, you betray our friendship. I'm sorry, please. Sleeping with Trisha's husband, Desmond. And how am I sure you will not blackmail me? I swear I won't. I cannot do that.